Today's video covers the AMC $7 objective, 0% shares left, and more. We're starting with this. Funny, this is the street story on AMC's 6% rise. When AMC rose 5.31% yesterday, they made news by citing excitement over the upcoming documentary, The Story of Everything, which outperformed the sector's 0.78% gain. We've seen similar news previously. Every time AMC rises more than 2% or 5+, we read news pieces claiming to be the reason. We've witnessed AMC's record popcorn sales. However, a week later, media headlines reported that AMC rose due to outdated news. They modified it. This has happened several times. This is happening because they don't want people to know why AMC is rising and why people are buying it. AMC is up 2.54% after the market closes as it was today. This is during market turbulence. Tech stocks are still in the negative. This builds on our previous remarks. Investors consider AMC and the sector safe. At times like this, when there are fears of market recessions and the ongoing situation globally, people want to find better and safer investments, and AMC is one of them. That's why we're seeing AMC up 5%, 2% despite the market tanking. And you can see this in share availability as well. It merely emphasizes AMC's share desire and desperateness. AMC demand is vital because without it, volatility is absent. AMC would have no potential. Huge demand and 0% short share availability tells me why AMC has so much potential. Low share availability. Will it remain zero? No. Are they borrowing? Yes. At lows, shorting and exposure increase. Limited downside. Shorts with huge upside keep emerging. Again, we mentioned zero shares. This is nothing new and highlights several points. Zero share availability addresses the demand we mentioned before. Second, every time it goes from 100,000 to 50,000, then to nothing, then magically returns to 100,000 or 100,000. We know it's usually because more synthetic has been manufactured and pumped into the system, not because people are returning these shares. Short share availability illustrates the demand of short sellers, how desperate they are, and how much synthetics are manufactured daily, especially when AMC is booming while the market is falling. Pre-market volume is likewise quite low, as shown below. As noted, market collaterals are diminishing in value, and equities are exceedingly volatile, which makes this fascinating. Silver, gold, oil, and natural gas are experiencing tremendous changes. They appear to be struggling to maintain order. They don't have the time or money to fully repress AMC as before. This explains the low market volume. You can see by the shorter availability that they're still trying to suppress it, but not as much as before or as much as they desire.
Remember?
AMC will be the greatest squeeze ever. AMC squeeze will be bigger than anyone has ever expected, as we've seen before. This screenshot is highly important since it shows how much value is involved in synthetics. Remember that Robinhood suspended AMC and removed the buy button to protect their brokers, who sell data for order flow payment to Citadel and other corporations. They obviously want to keep them alive, but AMC and GameStop were using so much margin that they could have broken these brokers and market makers. We feel and understand that the AMC crunch will be far larger than anyone realizes. AMC is up 5%, and there are a few things to note. This is a pushback to $2 in Avengers Doomsday announcement. But if GME acquires AMC Theaters, expect $7. I want to discuss this because there are many things. First, the news announcement is great because Doomsday and other huge movie series will boost the box office like Avatar did last year. The run to $7 is also mentioned. This is crucial since it may initiate the squeezing. Using previous data, we've mentioned places where people have stacked many short positions. So $210 is known? At $210, folks have bought a lot, or short sellers have amassed short positions. Past experience shows that. We've seen it elsewhere too. Saw it at $330. We've seen it around $450. We see it often around $79 and up. We've witnessed short sellers' public influence in several areas. They could have made synthetics too. This only covers reported data. We know they made those jobs. AMC, moving from where we are to $7, is really usual. So if we see a run-up, it wouldn't be enormous. It shows their deserved value. It has a bigger effect than that because when we go up, we destroy millions and billions of dollars in short positions with even small changes. At $210, short sellers will get flushed. At $330, they'll flood out. They'll flush out at $5. $7 to $9 will flush them out again. So if we see any news that permits a MAC to go even up to $7, it will have a huge impact while being a very little movement compared to where I think it should be. We said that when a MAC reached $210, the dark pool went from 60% to 90% because they realized AMC's power. When AMC and GME squeeze, market cap is irrelevant. This is what we stated. AMC can reach thousands or tens of thousands, so they're frightened. Everyone has different prices. I won't tell you the fee. AMC rising to $7 can easily trigger this. Short sellers will be devastated if AMC rises to $10. It merely emphasizes its power. AMC $700 million flow after refinance is another possibility. A 0.05 dividend costs $35 million AMC. If 5 times float counterfeited $175 million expenses, shorts must match. Some close out. Pushing AMC higher each quarter shorts pan to depart stocks keeps increasing. This means what to people who don't understand? We discussed it. When the corporation pays dividends, short sellers pay first. They must distribute dividends before the firm. Knowing that AMC will have 700 million shares after refinancing, they'll need $35 million to distribute dividends at 0.05. If 5 times were, the float would have been synthetic, and 5 times is low compared to prior data. This sample uses 5 times. 5 times flow means short sellers, and the corporation won't pay because these are counterfeited. Everything is synthetic. Short sellers must pay these charges. They must pay $75 million. Some billion-dollar corporations consider this nothing. However, modest short sellers will be affected. That'll drive some short sellers out. The biggest point is that if AMC could do this every quarter, which could be conceivable depending on finances every quarter. If AMC does this consistently and forces short sellers to issue $175 million, that will eat into capital and cause them to panic and exit the shorts. This is something we've always discussed. We're also looking into this. Maintain recent balance sheet whitewashing. Classic pre-merger action from AMC is coming. People are certainly talking about these things. Does this suggest it will happen? There have been many speculations about AMC and GME, and I'm not trying to put them off by claiming it's impossible. Anything is possible. We've seen enormous events before, but this shows what's possible and what to watch for. Please have a look at this 2i. Think it's interesting and something AMC can undertake. We also expect major money into AMC. We've discussed this, but I wanted to demonstrate how AMC is the safe refuge. You need data to back it up. Current institutional ownership and capital outflow into AMC show that more people are buying and fewer are selling. Even when the market is volatile and stocks are having major red days, AMC is still green. AMC won't be sold. Shows investors trust in AMC. AMC expects debt restructuring and interest relief in Q2. Strong domestic box office revenue over Q2, Q3. In Q4, path to profitability with decreased interest expense and good attendance. Especially with debt restructuring and AMC stock reflecting on this operational performance. We'll encounter post-sum traffic. Of course, we'll confront these challenges. Obviously, this will help AMC grow. Merriam reportedly paid millions for Nicole Kidman to appear in the AMC commercial, which was confirmed today. Probably many have seen that. Nicole Kidman stated today that she wasn't paid for the commercial. She did it gratis. Once again, these media articles are trying to persuade AMC to portray themselves negatively when they're not. This post is old, but I want to show you again. Remember when we talked about all the data earlier and why I say it's the minimum and how there could be more than 5 times? Is because we've seen how swaps have been used in the past. This is one of the main reasons I say there are more synthetics than we think. GME had another bug today. We demonstrated this yesterday. Today, GME has a 33 quadrillion volume bug. We've discussed how this only happens to AMC and GME. We always see glitches during intense events. GME is experiencing problems due to huge volatility and collateral value loss. It solves the question of whether manipulation occurs behind the scenes. I think there are because these things have happened too often to be coincidences. GameStop is estimated to be 78% undervalued. Fair value, $110 per share. Naturally, people discuss this. Now, we already know GME and AMC are undervalued, and I believe we will never know the true value, because not only do you have to look at it from a fundamental perspective, but you also have to realize that if we ever allow true price discovery of AMC, of GME, how much will that actually bring when you consider investor sentiment as well? Hinting at a necessity for these warrants and what's happening, especially with purchase speculations. Additionally, USG may withdraw $4 billion face value bond buybacks on these 2029 to 2031s. It's important to see how short sellers are affected since it indicates liquidity. How they affect AMC and GME short may be one. Also looking at BlackRock reducing private loan value from 100 to 0. We've already discussed how things are disintegrating in the P realm, so a huge event is coming. We can witness IMC's success. Yesterday, we mentioned how ETFs and index funds must buy a distinct index. HYMC is doing well, and we predict additional volume. As always on this Financial Advisor, take a grant of so much research, and see you next time.